Hello, everybody. So we have organized our books today in reading from easiest to hardest, and now we're going to organize even more for writing today. So we need to stay organized by creating subtopics. And normally when we're researching, we would write all of these subtopics on index cards, but today we're going to be using Google Slides, which is going to make it so much fun. All right. So what are subtopics, right? We've talked about this before in our nonfiction unit. So subtopics are all of the smaller topics that come underneath our main topic, right? So our main topic is whatever animal we are researching right now. So I am researching the wolves. Maybe somebody's researching polar bears, somebody's researching dolphins, right? And it's how we break up that main topic into smaller topics. What about wolves? What am I learning about wolves? All right, so we are going to be setting up for research in our slides. You will be getting these today. So you can write in your animal here. So I'm going to be researching wolves, and you will notice that there are many different slides to write subtopics on, right? There's not just one or two. There's a bunch of information we can grab from these books to create different subtopics. Right, so you're going to be looking at your collection in Epic, right? Just like we organized before, now we're going to think, what subtopics are there that I can organize for my research, right? So I'm going to look over here. I already started reading this one, right? So talks about where they're found. I'm going to write these down. I'm going to take notes so I can see which ones keep on coming up, right? So where they live, what they look like, the different colors, what they look like, how they're endangered, maybe who hunts them, who's their predator, right? All of that. Again, what they look like, packs, how they live, pups. Okay, very good. So those are some of the things I've just learned. Let's see if we look over here. Look at the table of contents. It's always going to help us. Nighttime hunt, gray wolf pups. Again, pups comes up again. All right, so that's come up twice so far. All right, nighttime hunting. Hunting was already came up. All right, good. Right, I'm not reading this. I'm just skimming through. All right, pups again. There it is. Prey, so good. Gray wolf, what they eat. Right, their diet, what they eat. That's something. Right, what they look like. All right, look like again. So far, I've only looked at, two books, and there's already so many things that I could write about for different subtopics, right? Again, pups comes up again. What they eat comes up again. What they look like, right? This is great. All right, so that's what you're going to do. You're going to figure out what keeps on popping up and think how you're going to organize it. So I'm just going to do this one, right? What they look like, because I've seen that come up in many books, and I've only looked at the beginning of a few pages so far. So this is where I'll be taking all my notes down in bullet point form. We're not doing that yet. We're just coming up with our different subtopics. So you want to come up with 5 different subtopics today. Look through all of the books, skim through the whole thing. See what keeps on coming up and what there's a lot of information about. Once you have done this, you're going to go into your Flipgrid for your book club group. You're going to talk about what you chose as your subtopics, and then you're going to respond to each other and try to figure out what would be the best subtopics for your animal. All right, and we'll talk more about this tomorrow. So good luck. I know you will do a wonderful job.